Okay guys, so I'm finally sitting down to film this hair tutorial. I still sound really sick because
I am really sick.
I've been battling a sinus infection. Something's happening with my ears. It's a mess and I feel like but I'm here filming because I'm taking a whole week off of Christmas, so I can't slack this week so I can take off all of next week. So that's what's happening right now. So anyways, let's dive into this. I'm doing this cute holiday hair tutorial. It's going to be a little bit of a twist in the back. And to start, I'm starting with already curled hair. You can have hair that's way less curled than this. I just like a little bend to the hair. I got a little crazy earlier. My hair was just washed. It was feeling like it was going to take the curl, so it ended up a little curlier than I wanted it to, but you can kind of do however you want as long as there's like a slight bend to the hair. If it's straight, you can still do it, but it's going to have a harder time holding those pieces in the back, so I would recommend doing at least wavy. So that's what we're going to do today. Gosh, I know that I sound sick. I feel sick. I feel like my face looks sick. This is actually the first time I put makeup on in 4 days. Help. So okay, enough about me being ill. I get it. Let's just do our hair and do it before the baby wakes up from his nap. Okay, so let's dive right into this. Alright, so I'm going to start with the headband. I'm going to position it right on my head because that's where a headband goes. And I'm going to be curling the hair around the ends here and pulling it into a ponytail. I'm gonna leave my bangs out for this, so you can stop here. This is so cute. I think you can kind of just pull some of these pieces up and wrap a piece of hair around that clear elastic if you want a low pony, which actually now that I'm looking at it is really cute. But if you want to continue going, keep watching. But this actually right here, if you leave a little bit of these pieces out and kind of pull some of the pieces down here so that's a little bit looser and less nice and pristine, you can totally do that. Because with the headband, it looks really, really cute this way too. But I'm going to take it a step further. Let's do that. So once we have that twist done and the ends pinned, of those pieces out. And boom. I like to pull these pieces out around my face just a little bit. Loosen that up, and then we have this cute holiday headband hair twist. Alright guys, and that is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed this holiday hair tutorial today. I know that I enjoyed doing it for you guys. This one is so easy. It's so easy once you have that base. And I actually recommend doing this on like second or third day hair because it will hide kind of some of that greasiness and your hair will hold it super well since it already has that texture. So definitely an easy hair So simple for the holidays, but it looks a lot more complicated than it is. I guarantee you're going to get compliments on it, and it will stay because of the way the pins are positioned. It shouldn't fall out even if you have finer hair like I do. It should stay the whole day. Top it off with some finishing hairspray and you are good to go. If you are starting with first day hair, that's totally fine. Just throw in a texturizing hairspray before you start so that you get a little bit of grip in that hair. I sound like a man. But anyways, guys, I hope you had an awesome time watching this video, learned something new and cool today, and wherever you are, I hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend, and let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn that notification on for when I do more uploads, and if you want to see more consistent content, definitely take a look at my blog, blendedambitiousblog.com, or at blendedambitiousblog on Instagram, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!